How to change screen resolution and size in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your start menu and then go to settings. After that, go to system. Now go to display. Scroll down and then you will find an option of display resolution. Drag down this button and from here you will be able to choose any of the given resolution. So it will first give you a preview. If you are satisfied with it, go to keep changes, or if not, simply go to revert and it will be back to normal. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.